Hi guys, happy Thursday to you. It's me, mesarastarr. I'm in my kitchen right now because I did an Amazon order that is something for my kitchen. So I needed to get a new toaster. So the toaster we had just broke. The lever wouldn't stay down when we would use it. So it was time to get a new toaster. And so I checked out like Target at the store, and I checked out Walmart online, and I ended up finding this one on Amazon. So here it is. It was delivered today, so I want to show you guys what it is, or what it looks like. I got a really kind of fancy one I'm excited about. I haven't had a fancy one like this before. So I want to go ahead and show you guys because other people might be looking for toasters. You know, it's kind of fun to see, you know, what is out there as far as toasters. Like, I mean, it may not be interesting for everybody, but I'm sorry if this is a boring video. I'll apologize in advance if this is a boring video. So anyway, but this thing has an LED screen on it, so at times, I'll just show you. So let me go ahead and open it, and I'll show you what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it now. Oops. So, and I apologize, the lighting here is not great, and I'm out of focus. Normally I would do this in my like studio, but like this lighting is not very flattering on me, but it is, I need to be by a plug so I can show you guys how this works. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and show you what it is, because I'm excited to see it. Let's see. So let me go ahead and get into this box. All right, so let's see here. So I got, here we go. I'm going to take it out. Sorry, it's taking forever and a day. Okay, so there it is. And I have, let's see. So I thought it would be like in more of like a, you know, like a, so it's just a plain box. It's a name I've never heard of. It has, so it's got the, it's got the information on the outside. It says toaster. And it's a name I've never heard of, and it's called, it's called Whole Life Stainless Steel Toaster, something like that. So anyway, here it is. There it is. So I got it on Amazon, like I said, and let's see, guys. Let's see if it's worth its weight in gold, right? So I think I paid around $32.90 something for it, and then tax. So it feels pretty lightweight. So we'll see. But I want to plug it in and show you guys. There's my cat. You want to say hi? Say hi. Hi, baby. Okay, so let me show you. So I want to show you, let's see. As you guys see, I have my cat mom shirt on again today. What are you doing back there, sister? She wants to be on the camera, I think, today. Hi, baby. You're going to climb in that box? Okay, so here it is. So it's wrapped pretty good, you know, for shipping. So it has those little pieces. So here it is. So I hope it's worth its weight in gold, like I said. If not, I can always return it. It smells like, you know, new, has a smell to it. Like, you know, new appliances, you know how sometimes they have like a smell to it. So that'll probably go away once it's been used. So I don't want to, let me just show you guys. It's pretty. It looks really pretty. Let me just unwind this cord so I can actually plug it in and show you guys how it works. So let me just go ahead and show you. All right, here we go. I had to take that off. Okay, so let me plug it in and I'll show you guys what I think of it. So it has, I gotta take these pieces out, obviously. No good to be in there. That's interesting, it has it in there for shipping. So there it is. So let's see how this thing works. Oh geez, there's more stuff. Okay. All right, I'll take that off. How do I take that off? Now how on earth does that, oh, it's just, okay. Oh wow, interesting. Okay. So my first review of this is, so it looks like that. It's funny, like that's like a, you can see my cups. because I'm doing this in my, I have my camera in my, you know, cabinet. But it has like mirrors on each side. That's hilarious. Like kind of like mirrors. It says, there's a couple notes. It says a note, be careful to operate the product and not to be scalded during and after use. That's very important information. So here we go. So I'm just going to bring, okay, I'm going to pretend like I have, oh, so you turn the dial and, hold on, babies. Hold on, guys. My dog wants to go outside. Hold on one second. Okay, so here we go. So I'm just going to like show you guys how it looks and how it works. This is what I was interested in. It has a countdown of, so like I said, it makes that noise when you turn it, which is kind of weird. But here we go. So I'm going to, oh, wow. Look at that, you guys. It actually times. You see how it breaks it down. That's what I was interested in. See how it tells you when it's going to be ready? So that's why I wanted to get this, because I thought that was really cool, and I think that my older girls will think that's cool, like when they're making their toast. So how do I hit cancel to make it go back up. So yeah, that is my toaster, and so far, I mean, I haven't obviously toasted anything in it, so I have no idea, and that got hot really, really fast. Really fast. Wow. It has a reheat option, cancel, defrost, bagel, and I like that countdown. So it's kind of a simple toaster. I mean, it doesn't have a lot of bells and whistles, but I like the countdown. We like that kind of stuff at our house. Like, I love that kind of stuff where you like, I just like that kind of stuff. I think that it's cool when things have like panels, like LED, you know, stuff on it where you can like, it's just, you can see what's going on, like when it's going to be done and all that. So yeah, that's my review of my Amazon toaster. Again, it's made by Whole Life. If I remember, if I'm saying that right. And yeah, I think it's, I wanted a red toaster, but this sold me because of the LED panel in the front. So, and it has a tray in the back right here, so you can pull out the crumbs. And yeah, so sorry if this was super boring, I apologize, but that's a toaster I got, and I wanted to show you guys what I got. So anyway, have a wonderful Thursday. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, subscribe, and comment if you haven't done so already. Would love to have you a part of my YouTube channel and family. So again, thank you for being here, and I hope you like my toaster review. I'll see you guys real soon with another haul. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.